Chapter 3 Multiplication. The students of class 4 of a school went to an apple orchard for a field trip. They saw the complete process from planting of trees in the orchard to manufacturing of apple jam and juice in a nearby factory. The numbers which are multiplied together to give the product are called factors of that product. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 and 6 are factors, 30 is the product. Properties of multiplication. 1. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product always remains the same. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 8 into 12 is equal to 96. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. 2. The factors can be grouped in any way. The product remains the same. 2 into 3 in bracket into 7 is equal to 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 2 into 3 into 7 in bracket is equal to 2 into 21 is equal to 42. 3. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 23 into 1 is equal to 23. 392 into 1 is equal to 392. 4. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. 9 into 0 is equal to 9. 32 into 0 is equal to 0. 563 into 0 is equal to 0. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Remember, 4 into 25 is equal to 100. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 1 into 100 is equal to 100. Multiplication by a one-digit number. Vertical method. Example 1. There are 8 apples on each plate. If there are 172 plates, how many apples are there in all? 172 into 8. Step 1. Multiply the digit at the ones place by 8. 2 ones into 8 is equal to 16 ones. Regroup 16 ones into 110 and 6 ones. Keep 6 at ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Step 2. Multiply the digit at the tens place by 8. 7 tens into 8 is equal to 56 tens. 56 tens plus 1 10 carried over is equal to 57 tens. Regroup 57 tens into 5 hundreds and 7 tens. Keep 7 at tens place and carry over 5 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 8. 100 into 8 is equal to 8 hundreds. 8 hundreds plus 5 hundreds carried over is equal to 13 hundreds. Regroup 13 hundreds into 1000 and 3 hundreds. Keep 3 at hundreds place and 1 at thousands place. Always remember to add the carried over digit. Example 2. Find 1984 into 6. Step 1. 4 ones into 6 is equal to 24 ones is equal to 2 tens plus 4 ones. Step 2. 8 tens into 6 is equal to 48 tens. 48 tens plus 2 tens carried over is equal to 50 tens is equal to 5 hundreds plus 0 tens. Step 3. 9 hundreds into 6 is equal to 54 hundreds. 54 hundreds plus 5 hundreds is equal to 59 hundreds is equal to 5 thousands plus 9 hundreds. Step 4. 1000 into 6 is equal to 6 thousands. 6 thousands plus 5 thousands carried over is equal to 11 thousands. Horizontal method. Example 3. A carton holds 423 apples. How many apples are there in 4 such cartons? 423 into 4. Step 1. 3 ones into 4 is equal to 12 ones is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. Step 2. 2 tens into 4 is equal to 8 tens. 8 tens plus 110 carried over is equal to 9 tens. Step 3. 4 hundreds into 4 is equal to 16 hundreds is equal to 1000 plus 6 hundreds. Answer 1692. 423 into 4 is equal to 1692. Example 4. Find 1623 into 6. Step 1. 3 ones into 6 is equal to 18 ones is equal to 110 plus 8 ones. Step 2. 2 tenths into 6 is equal to 12 tenths. 12 tenths plus 1 tenth carried over is equal to 13 tenths is equal to 100 plus 3 tenths. 1623 into 6 is equal to 9738. Step 3. 6 hundredths into 6 is equal to 36 hundredths. 36 hundredths plus 100 is equal to 37 hundredths is equal to 3 thousandths plus 7 hundredths. Step 4. 1000 into 6 is equal to 6 thousandths. 6 thousandths plus 3 thousandths carried over is equal to 9 thousandths. Answer 9738. Multiplication by expanded notation method. Expand the bigger number and multiply. Example 5. There are 6 cardboard boxes. Each box can hold 272 jam bottles. How many jam bottles can be kept in these boxes? 272 into 6. Step 1. Expand the bigger number. 272 is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 2. Step 2. Multiply the hundreds, tens and ones. 200 into 6 is equal to 1200. 70 into 6 is equal to 420. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 272 into 6 is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 2 in bracket into 6 is equal to 200 into 6 plus 70 into 6 plus 2 into 6 is equal to 1200. 420 plus 12 is equal to 1632. Step 3. Add the products. 1200 plus 420 plus 12 is equal to 1632. Answer 1632. Example 6. Find 1392 into 4. 1000 into 4 is equal to 4000. 300 into 4 is equal to 1200. 90 into 4 is equal to 360. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Step 1. Expand 1392. 1392 is equal to 1000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 2. Step 2. Multiply the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones by 4. Step 3. Add the products is equal to 4000 plus 1200 plus 360 plus 8 is equal to 5568. Answer 5568. Multiplication by a two-digit number. To multiply a number by a two-digit number ending with 0. Example 7. 54 into 20. Step 1. Multiply the number by the digit in the tens place. 54 into 2 is equal to 108. Step 2. Add 1 0 at the end of the product. 54 into 20 is equal to 1080. Multiplying by a two-digit number not ending with 0. Example 8. A shopkeeper bought 12 packets of jelly at rupee 41 per packet. How much did he pay? Step 1. Multiply by ones. 41 into 2 is equal to 82. Step 2. Multiply by tens. 41 into 10 is equal to 410. Step 3. Add the products. 41 into 12 is equal to 82 plus 410 is equal to 492. Answer rupee 492. Example 9. Find 1602 into 29. Step 1. Multiply by ones. Step 2. Multiply by tens. Step 3. Add the products. Answer 46,458. Example 10. Find 1503 into 37. Find the mistake. Answer 55,611. Multiplication by a three-digit number. Multiplying a number by a three-digit number ending with two zeros. Example 11. 17 into 300. Step 1. Multiply the number by the digit in the hundreds place. 17 into 300 is equal to 5100. Step 2. Add two zeros at the end of the product. 17 into 300 is equal to 5100. Multiplying a number by a three-digit number not ending with 0. Example 12. Gagan planted 353 rows of apple trees with 236 trees in each row. How many apple trees have been planted? 353 into 236 is equal to 353 into 200 plus 30 plus 6 in bracket. Step 1. Multiply the ones. 6. 356 into 6 is equal to 2118. Step 2. Multiply by tens. 30. 353 into 30 is equal to 10,590. Step 3. Multiply by hundreds. 200. 353 into 200 is equal to 70,600. Step 4. Add the products. 2,118 plus 10,590 plus 70,600 is equal to 83,308. Answer: 83,308 apple trees were planted in the orchard. Estimating the product. Round off the factors to estimate their product. The estimation gives a rough idea of the product. Example 13. Find the estimated product and the actual product of 59 and 21. Round off to the nearest 10. Answer: the estimated product is 1200 and the actual product is 1239. Example 14. Estimate the product of 532 and 175 by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. Also, find the actual product. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Answer: the estimated product is 1 lakh and the actual product is 93,100. Applications. Example 15. The orchard owner gifted 2 kg of apples to each student. If there were 173 students, how many kg of apples were gifted? Number of students is equal to 173. Apples gifted to each student is equal to 2 kg. Therefore, total apples gifted to students is equal to 173 into 2 is equal to 346 kgs. Answer: 346 kg of apples were gifted to the students. Example 16. A bag contains 13 apples. How many apples do 81 such bags contain? Number of apples in one bag is equal to 13. Number of bags is equal to 81. Therefore, total number of apples is equal to 81 into 13 is equal to 1053. Answer: 81 bags contain 1053 apples.